Hey guys, welcome back to the video. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater, as well as Zach. Today we are going to be doing a demo of the brand new theater we have here in Kentucky. This is a 9.2.6 Dolby Atmos system with Focal 1000 series. If you guys would like to purchase anything that you see on our channel, be sure to reach out and show your support. But without further ado, let's get into the demo right after the intro.
Tango, we mentioned failure. He's got a gun. What? Get warmed up. God, I love Italy. I said, keep coming, keep coming.
What do you think, man?
It's sick. Everything looks spectacular, but I've seen the JVC before. What we haven't experienced were the Focal 1000 series, and just the I haven't really had a whole lot of time to play with the Maestro X9. Yeah. So just being able to hear those again, and then hear the 1000 series in a proper theater, just the separation, the location.
That's what I would like to point out. So until you experience it, until you've had one of these theaters to actually sit in and enjoy on a daily basis, or even just sit down for a demo, you don't appreciate Dolby Atmos. The separation and channel between height and low effects is real. Yeah. That's what is making Dolby Atmos one of the leading formats in the industry right now. Because as you saw in like that 6 Underground movie we just played, as they're like barreling through on the motorcycle, you're hearing on your surround speakers the air, basically the as if you are literally on that motorcycle. Yeah. And then the motorcycle crashes.
Right. The crashing, the wooden flanks flying overhead, and the splinters, and
all the metal, the scraps, like it literally puts you exactly where
driver's seat of that car.
It really puts you in the movie. Yeah. That's what it's all about.
Right. The immersion is through the roof. Yeah.
Yeah, and of course the video, like you said, is
sharp.
It's awesome. Well, guys, we just wanted to show you a quick little demo. Unfortunately, I have to head out of here. I'd like to watch a couple movies with you, but I'll leave that up to you. Kellen's going to be tinkering with this thing for a few days. We'll have some follow-up content for you guys, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. And once again, we're in business to make money. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and share your support. Kellen, as well as the rest of our team, would love the opportunity to sit down on a FaceTime, Zoom with you. We're going to walk through your space. We're going to create a system design. We're going to make all the recommendations to you using our years of experience and optimize your dream home theater. Is there anything else you'd like to add in, Kellen?
No, appreciate you guys coming in, and you're welcome back anytime. But
these Utopias are killer, guys, and they're modular too. So like, if you have the budget for it, I would love to see a system where they add in the Utopia subs, even for like some surrounds. Bam! Oh, that would be killer. But this is an amazing system, man, and I'm honored to be a part of it. It was really fun. I think that's a wrap, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
You guys like this video? Give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.